Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a topic, word problems. Before starting our today's topic, I want to tell you one thing, that first of all subscribe the channel if you not yet subscribe, and like all the videos. This helps me to make more videos for you. These videos are very important because these are belongs to your textbook and workbook. So I start today's topic, that is word problems. Before starting today's word problem, let have some information about the problems. When we solve word problems, we need to decide which operation is used. We can use clue words. Let have if we are if there are the words in all together, and total. Then we add the numbers. Then we add the word problem. Then we do addition in the word problem. If we get the words, how much left? Find the other. How much more? Which is lesser? When there is comparison, we have to subtract. We have to subtract the values. So, if we get the words, if we get these words in our word problem, then we do subtraction. Now, if we have words like product, times, multiplied by, detail of one is given and asked for many, then we do multiplication. And if we get the word of, then we do multiplication in our word problems. Now, if we have the words like equal share, how many each, detail of many is given and asked for one, then we do division in that word problem. Now we have question number 3. Mr. Lim makes 6 jugs of fruit punch by mixing some syrup and water. The volume of water used is twice as much as the volume of syrup used. It means if there is 2 times water, then 1 time syrup. The volume of water is twice. Volume of water is twice. Twice means 2 times. As much as the volume of syrup used. Volume of syrup means if the volume of syrup is 1, then the 2 times water we have. Now, each jug contains, this is our second part. First of all, we find out how much water in one jug. Each jug contains 1500 ml of fruit punch. Each jug contains 1500 ml of fruit punch. It means that if one jug contains 2 times water and 1 times syrup, and one jug have 1500 ml of fruit punch, then we find how much water in that and how much syrup in that jug. We have 3 units here. 3 units, we know 3 units is equal to 1500 ml. We find out 1 unit. If we have more values and we find 1, then we divide it. 3 5s are 15 and 2 0 as it is. So 1 unit contain 500 ml. It means 500 ml 500 ml and 500 ml. 2 times water. We have 2 times water. So we multiply it by 2. Water in 1 jug. Because here we have 2 times water. So we multiply 500 ml by 2. Then we get 1000 ml. Then we get 1000 ml. Now, detail of one is given and asked for many. How much? How much? Here they give us each jug. Information about each jug is given. Detail of one jug is given and they asked about more jugs. More jugs means 6 jugs. How much water does he use to make 6 jugs of fruit punch? So if one jug contain 1000 ml, so 6 jugs contain water. Water in 6 jugs. If one jug contain 1000 ml, then 6 jugs contain 6 multiplied by 1000 ml. Then we get 6 ones are 6, 0, 0, 0, 6000 ml. So there are 6000 ml of water in the fruit punch. So we have to write the answer in this way. He uses 6000 ml of water to make 6 jugs of fruit punch. This is your question number 4. Question number 4 from your workbook, page number 41. Question number 4. A furniture shop owner bought 236 chairs and 8 tables for $9,548. Each chair cost $25. How much each table cost? First of all, we have to underline what information they given us. They have given us that there are 236 chairs and cost of each chair is $25. And there are 8 tables. We are going to find out each table cost. Each table cost means we finally find out one table cost. And we have the total amount. They also given us the total amount. First of all, we multiply the number of chairs with the cost of one chair. Then we get the answer of how much cost of 236 chairs. We start our question. Cost of one chair is $25 and cost of 236 chairs $25 multiplied by 236. We multiply these two values and then we rub it from the board to get 4 more question. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 3 are 15, 16, 17, 18, 8, 1 carry, 5 2 are 10 and 1, 11. Now I rub the previous 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7, 2 2 are 4, 0, 8 and 2 10, 0 1 carry, 7 8 9, 4 and 1 5. So we get $5,900 of 236 chairs. 5,900. Now this is the answer of 236 chairs. Now we find the left amount. How much amount is left after finding the amount of 236 chairs? We subtract the total amount of 236 chairs from the total amount. $9,548 minus $5,900. When we subtract these two values, we get 8 and 4 and 6 and 8 minus 5 is 3. $3,648. This is the left amount. In other words, this is the amount of 8 tables. This is the amount of 8 tables. Amount of 8 tables is equal to $3,648. How much each table cost? We finally find out the amount of one table. Amount, or in other words cost, these are the same words, doesn't matter whatever we use. Cost of one table 3,000. If we have detail of more and we want to get the value of 1, then we divide 3,648 divided by 8. When we divide these two values, 8 4s are 32, 6 minus 2 4, 4 down, 8 5s are 40, 4 8 down, 8 6 are 48. 456 is the answer. $456. $456 is the cost of one table.